This is a TEAC 3440. I have a test tape connected to it right now. We're going to check the head alignments. We do that by running a 400 hertz test tone tape on all 4 channels, and then we monitor the output signal on the on our oscilloscope. When I press play on the reel-to-reel, we'll see channels 1 and 2 with their respective signals on the reflecting on the scope. This is channel 1, left channel, and this is channel 2. They're identical, and if I raise the output volume on the machine itself, you can see which channel I'm raising. Okay, rewind the tape a little bit. Okay, so when we add those 2 signals together, turn the volume down a little bit. Back to that. And we should see a 45-degree angle, and that's a good signal. So the next thing we'll do is put the unit into record mode, send the similar signal through on channels 1 and 2, and we're going to monitor the output to see that we get the same 45-degree angle, checking the record heads to make sure they're in alignment with the playback head. Just monitoring the recording of that 1 kHz signal that I have going into the machine. This is what the signal looks like coming in, and this is what we're actually recording. The main thing we're concerned with is we maintain that 45-degree angle, and that the tape doesn't veer off, or the heads aren't out of phase. Like if I can simulate it by moving the tape a little bit. We don't want to see this kind of signal where the signal opens up like that into an oval. We want it to stay steady like it is there. So the next thing we're going to do is work on the record levels. So the signal that we're putting in, you can see it's has a little more amplitude than the output. So that's usually a bias adjustment, and we're going to go through that procedure right now. As we're going through the bias adjustments, I have the same 1 kHz tone going to the machine, and what we're going to do is set the bias to where the signal raises up as you're turning the bias potentiometer counterclockwise, and when it'll go up to a point to where it'll reach its maximum reading, and then it'll start going down. From that point, we're going to begin turning it clockwise again until it goes down. For this setting, it's going to be down 3 dB. So right now the hinge point is right at -1 dB. So I'm going to begin to turn it clockwise until we go down to -4 dB. Okay, and we'll do the same thing on channel 2, and we'll have to do this on all 4 channels again. Okay, and next we'll adjust the record level.